Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of Dungeon Hunter 6 on your phone, which gives you unlimited amount of emeralds and gems. So keep watching the video and I will show you exactly how to download. Just keep watching, it's going to work for you. Basically, all you have to do in Dungeon Hunter 6 is to simply type your desired amount of gems and emeralds. You can type any amount of gems and emeralds you want to get, just go ahead and type it and make sure it is turned on like this. Now, when you go ahead and simply hold this next button, it should send into your account. After finishing, open your account and as you can see, the exact amount of gems and emeralds you type it just loaded up. It's super easy and I'm going to show you guys how to download. All you have to do now is to simply head over the pinned comments down below. There I explain exactly where you can get Dungeon Hunter 6 on your mobile devices. So just head over the pinned comments, leave a like if this method worked for you at the end, and that's it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.